Stop scrolling. What you're about to see took me completely by surprise. I asked an AI to build me a real website, not a template, not a demo, a working, bilingual, professional website from scratch, and I want you to watch it happen. What if you could ask a computer to build an entire website for you? And it actually did it. No coding, no clicking through complicated menus. Just asking. That's exactly what you're about to watch. This is Codex, a brand new AI tool from OpenAI. And today, we asked it to build a real website from scratch. Here's what happened. First, we gave Codex a job to do, like giving a very smart helper a note that says, I need a website for an AI consultant named Aurora. It should work in English and Portuguese. It needs a homepage, a services page, an about page, and a contact form. Make it look dark and professional with blue accents. Simple as that. Now we just watch what happens. Look at this. Codex is reading the request. It's thinking about the best way to build this website. Imagine it like a builder who walks into an empty lot and says, okay, let me see what we have here. What tools do we need? What's the plan? It's not just copying something from a template. It's actually planning how to build something new from scratch. And it does this in seconds. Now Codex starts working, it's creating files. Think of these like the rooms of the website. One file becomes the homepage, another becomes the services page, another becomes the contact form. It's like watching someone build a house, but instead of bricks, they're writing instructions that tell the computer what to show. And the amazing part, it's doing all of this by itself. We didn't tell it which files to make or how to organize them. It figured all of that out on its own. Now you'll see Codex getting the ingredients it needs. Just like when you're baking a cake, you need flour, eggs, and sugar before you can start. Codex needs certain tools installed before it can build the website. It's going to the internet to get those tools automatically. We don't have to do anything. We just wait. Something interesting is happening here. Codex noticed a small problem and is fixing it by itself. This is one of the things that makes it so special. It doesn't just stop and say, I don't know what to do. It looks at the problem, thinks of a solution, and keeps going. Like a really determined student who doesn't give up when things get tricky. Codex is now creating a preview, a first look at what the website looks like. It's checking. Do the pages look right? Do the buttons work? Does it look good on a phone screen as well as a computer screen? It's doing a quality check all by itself. This is the moment where we start to see the website come to life. We're getting very close now. Codex is making final adjustments, tweaking colors, checking that all the pages connect to each other properly, making sure the contact form actually sends messages. Think of it as the last coat of paint on a freshly built house. The hard work is done. Now it's just the finishing touches. And here it is. The website is ready. From one simple description to a complete working website. Let's take a look at what Codex built. Look at this homepage, dark background, electric blue details, exactly as we asked. There's a beautiful hero section at the top introducing Aurora. The services page shows 3 different offerings, each with its own description. The About page tells Aurora's story. And the contact form, it actually works. People can send messages directly through it. This is a real website, not a demo, not a template, a real, working website. And here's one of the coolest parts. Remember, we asked for the website to work in 2 languages. Watch this. We click here, and the whole website switches to Portuguese. Every single word, every single page, now in Portuguese. Now here's something important. The website is built, but right now it only exists on our computer. To put it on the internet so anyone in the world can see it, we need a hosting service. Think of hosting like renting a little piece of the internet where your website can live. I use Hostinger for this. It's affordable, it works great, and it connects to projects like this one in about 5 minutes. The link in the description has a special discount. And that's it. An AI built a complete bilingual professional website, and we just watched it happen. Codex is free to try, and the link is below. If you want to follow along as I test tools like this every week, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you soon!